Yeah.
Like this. It's such
Here I am in Queen's Park in Loughborough with my two mates, and this is the zoo.
one blue and one green.
Those little birds there, back home we call them ground dove, and they lay in banana trees. And I used to go and catch them, and we used to eat them as well, these little birds there.
Really?
Yeah. There's quite a few in there. They're like miniature pigeons, aren't they?
Yeah, look like some kind of dove.
Yeah, we used to call them ground dove because they forage on the ground, like blackbirds.
There's some parrots over there.
There's parrots everywhere. Come over this. This one's a bit quiet. Come over to this one. There was one pigeon in there, and I think it's dead now. There's a pair of parrots. These are quite cute, aren't they? Hello. 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 What's your name then? What's your name then? Hello. Hello. What's your name then? What's your name then? Hey? Is that your mate, is it? Hey? Hello? Hello? What's your name? Hello? What's your name? What's your name? Hey? Nah, he's not talking. Let's go over this way, lads. There's some budgies on the ground there.
Is it like that? Yeah. It was just perched on the drive and picked it up. Bizarre, isn't it?
There's a lot of budgies on the ground there, aren't there?
My son came round, stayed for a few days. Come up, learned the conservatory.
Still the one on the stairs. Yeah, I had